Are you the best swim fins for scuba diving and snorkeling? Swim fins are essential for scuba diving and snorkeling enthusiasts, offering enhanced propulsion, reduced fatigue, and improved underwater maneuverability. Choosing the right pair can significantly impact your experience, whether you're exploring coral reefs or training in a pool. For this comparison, Product 1. Great Ever Snorkel Fins Adjustable Buckles Open Heel. The Great Ever Snorkel Fins are designed for versatility, offering adjustable straps and an open heel design that fits a wide range of foot sizes. The flame-shaped mesh instep design reduces resistance and enhances comfort, while the TPR material ensures durability and flexibility. These fins are lightweight and come with a quick-dry mesh bag, making them ideal for travel. With a 4.5-star rating and over 5,600 reviews, they are a popular choice among recreational snorkelers and divers. In testing, the Great Ever Fins performed admirably in both pool and open water environments. The quick-release buckles were convenient for donning and doffing, and the product number Cressi Rocks Fins. The Cressi Rocks Fins are tailored for young snorkelers aged 4 to 12, featuring adjustable straps and a dual-vented blade design for energy-efficient propulsion. Compact and lightweight, these fins are travel-friendly and come in vibrant colors that appeal to kids. As a product from Cressi, a renowned brand in underwater equipment since 1946, these fins offer reliable quality and durability. During testing, the dual-vented blades provided smooth and efficient movement, making them excellent for beginners. The large thumb loop on the straps simplified donning and doffing, while the adjustable design accommodated growing feet. However, these fins are not suitable for advanced diving or older users. Product 3. Cressi Adult Adjustable Snorkeling Fins with Ultra. The Cressi Tonga fins are a premium option for adult snorkelers and divers, featuring ultra-resistant buckles and a comfortable rubber foot pocket. The composite blade design reduces leg cramping and ensures powerful propulsion. Lightweight and compact, these fins are perfect for travel and versatile enough for both indoor and outdoor use. As part of Cressi's Italian-designed lineup, they emphasize quality and durability. In practical use, the Tonga fins excelled in both shallow snorkeling and deeper dives. The robust buckles and thumb loop made adjustments seamless, while the comfortable foot pocket minimized irritation during extended use. However, their higher price point may deter budget product number Cressi Rocks Fins. The Cressi Rocks Fins in blue-white are identical to the previously reviewed bottle, but offer a different color option. They feature the same adjustable straps, dual-vented blades, and compact design, making them ideal for kids age 4 to 12. The Italian brand's reputation for quality ensures these fins are durable and reliable. Performance-wise, these fins deliver the same benefits as the blue-orange variant, including smooth propulsion and easy adjustments. The vibrant blue-white color scheme may appeal to different aesthetic preferences. However, the limitations in size and power remain, making them unsuitable for advanced diving or older users. Product number Diving Fins. The Luxpar diving fins are designed for both beginners and professionals, featuring a polypropylene blade for powerful propulsion and a thermoplastic rubber foot pocket for comfort. The advanced buckle release system allows for easy adjustments, while the streamlined shape enhances efficiency. These fins come with a mesh bag and manual, adding convenience to your diving setup. In testing, the Luxpar fins provided excellent thrust and stability, thanks to their channel thrust technology. The below-blade foot pocket design minimized leg strain, making them suitable for longer dives. However, their heavier weight and bulkier design may not appeal to those prioritizing portability. Additionally, they are the most expensive option in this lineup, which may